Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset Lightroom edits. So if you want to reset the edits you have made to your photos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now I'm going to demonstrate it with a fresh photo. Here, I'll choose this photo. And now I'll add different edits to it from here. And just like that, we have created a new edit in Lightroom. Now, on to the point. To reset it, simply click here and click on Reset and click on All to reset all the adjustment we have made. And just like that, we have reset the Lightroom edits in this photo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.